Hello, today I'm coming to you from my home and I'm doing another short video on one of the Barbie dolls I recustomized. This doll, I bought her at Savers. She was used but in fairly good condition. She had a little bit of hair problems. She's kind of thin on her hair and I didn't feel like rerouting it, so I just put it up and added some jewels, and then she received some earrings and a beautiful necklace and a ring as well. Then I did a total face repaint on her. She's got dark blue eyeshadow on, beautiful blue eyes that are very mesmerizing. She's got dark black eyeliner and dark black eyelashes. Then she's got a royal purple dress on as well, and this is brand new. Then her shoes, if I can get them, are these, let's see, they're crystal blue high heels that are also brand new. Okay, and this doll took me about a couple of days to make, with the hair and the makeup and everything else. And then the dress, I special ordered it, and I think she came out absolutely lovely. Her lipstick is a light pink. She's got very light pink lipstick on, and of course her fangs. She was made with a lot of care, a lot of love, and I just really enjoy doing these customized dolls. So please let me know what you think. Thumbs up, comment, please. Please subscribe if you enjoy my channel, you enjoy customized dolls, especially little ones that are on the dark side, like zombies and monsters and vampires are my favorite, of course. So let me know what you think about her, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye!